Welcome to Show Me on Mac, a channel designed to bring you concise, quick, and up-to-date tutorials about any topic macOS related. Check out the extensive list of video tutorials or see the playlist section when they are perfectly categorized for easy access. Thumbnails convey anything you need to know before you click. The exact topic, an effective illustration, the software used, and the macOS version is performed on. Get amazed by cool tutorials like how to make your cursor ping. Tutorials are created so that every action is clearly stated and visually guided. The screen is zoomed where the action is happening for easier view, and extra information and tips are provided whenever needed. By the way, every tutorial is precisely captioned and recorded in 4K. Check out my channel. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe to see them all whenever you need. You can follow me on Reddit, Twitter, Facebook, and more.